Hi Savers, Chrissy here from Coupon Confidants. I wanted to take a minute to go over with you the current Winn Dixie and Bilo deals that are going on right now. This is the week valid of October 17th through October 23rd. So you can get these at the store right now and we will go over them. Always in the beginning of my posts you'll see that the links and the lettering that you see, red are for rebates, pink are for store coupons. Almost all Bilo take Publix coupons, but definitely check with your store. Some Winn Dixies do as well. You will have to check with your store. Not as many Winn Dixies do as Bilo stores do. The blue lettering will be linked coupons to print. RMN means Retail Me Not, SS means Smart Source, P&G means Procter & Gamble. So these are all your inserts that come in your newspapers. And as always, you will see the dates. The dates are the weekend that those coupons came out in. And the EXP, the expiration dates, will be there for you also because sometimes our coupons expire in the middle of a sale week. So here we go. Assorted Kellogg cereals are buy one, get one free. These are 12.2 to 15 ounce with an average price of $4.39. Remember, I'm working with Bilo and Winn Dixie here, so your store may differ. We have a couple different coupons you can use. We have a $1 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not 923 that expires 11/4. We don't need to worry about the expiration date. We have a $2 off 4 printable coupon, and then we have 50 cents off 1 printable coupons also. Bilo is going to get a little bit of a cheaper deal here because they do double. So I advise them using the 50 cents off 1 printable coupons, and they'll get theirs for $1.20 each box. Winn Dixie will pay $1.70 each box, and they can use any of the coupons above. So you can use the $1 off 2. You can use the 2 off 4, or you can use 2 of the 50 cents off 1. Remember, Winn Dixie has to buy 2 of every buy one, get one free deal. They don't have the option of buying 1 because they are a true BOGO store. All laundry detergent, 46.5 ounces, buy one, get one free, $5.99. We have a $1 off 1 insert coupon from Retail Me Not 923, making these $2 each. New York Texas toast or garlic breads, assorted garlic breads are on sale. Buy one, get one free, $2.99. There is a $1 off of 2 printable coupon, and you'll end up picking them up for 99 cents each. Rachel Ray Nutrish cat food. I put the dog food picture in here because obviously I haven't been feeling well if some of you read my other posts, but it is the cat food that's on sale, and I will get this corrected. Buy one, get one free, $6.99. If your store takes Publix, you'll use the Publix Pet book, or you can print it by using that link right there. And you will stack that with the $2 off 1 printable coupon. And you will end up getting them for 50 cents each if you are at Winn Dixie. Like I said, you have to buy 2 when you're at Winn Dixie. If you are at Bilo, you can do buy 1, use one $2 off 1 Publix and one $2 off 1 printable, and you'll get these free. And the reason I say this is because both SC Grocer stores, their policy is a limit of 1 alike competitor coupon. So if you're in Winn Dixie, you have to buy 2 bags, but per the policy, you can only use 1 of these Publix coupons. You can still use 2 of the printable manufacturer coupons. So Winn Dixie pays 50 cents, Bilo gets their 1 bag for free. Colgate toothpaste, 4 ounce, buy one, get one free, $2.49. There is a 50 cents off 1 from the Smart Source October 14th. And Bilo will get these for 25 cents each, as their coupon will double. Winn Dixie will get theirs for 75 cents each without doubling. Hefty slider bags or freezer bags, 10 to 20 count, are buy one get one free, $2.49. We have $1 off of 2 printable coupons, and you will pick these up for 75 cents each, which is an amazing stock-up price on slider bags. Aussie shampoo and conditioners are on the sale price of $2.50. We have a $2 off 2 insert coupon from Retail Me Not October 7th. So you would get these for $1.50 each after that coupon. This expiration date is of October 20th, so you only have a couple of days to do this deal. I believe the same goes for the Herbal Essence, sale price of $2.50, 2 off 2 insert coupon from 10/7 Retail Me Not, and it expires October 20th. So clip these out, head on over to your SC Grocers, and get yours for $1.50 each. Sparkle paper towels are on sale of $3.99. That is already a great price without any coupons. It's a good price. We have $1.25 off 1 from Retail Me Not September 30th, and you would get yours for $2.74 each 6-pack. Angel Soft 9 double rolls are on a sale price of $3.99. Same thing, great price either way. We have a 50 cents off 1 printable coupon. Buy Low gets their packs for $2.99 each as their coupon doubles, and Winn Dixie will get their Angel Soft for $3.49 after the 50-cent coupon. Barilla Traditional Pasta is on sale for $1 each box. We have $1 off of 4 from Retail Me Not September 9th, and you would get yours for 75 cents each. Yoplait yogurt cups are $1 sale price, and we have a 50 cents off of 5 printable coupon. Buy Low would get 5, use the 50 cents off 5 printable, it will double, and they get theirs for 30 cents each. Winn Dixie is going to get theirs for 40 cents each using the same coupon, just not doubled. Another yummy chocolate deal. Nestle Butterfingers, Crunch, Baby Ruth, Fun Sizes, variety are on sale, 10.5 ounce to 11.5 ounce, buy one get one free at $4.49. We have a $2 off 3 Nestle Fun Size bags from Smart Source September 16th. So you would get them for $1.58 each bag. Again, Winn Dixie is true BOGO. You have to buy 6 and use 2 of these coupons. Buy Low can choose to buy just 3, but why would you? It's chocolate. Either way, $1.58 a bag. Yummy yum. And that's it. I did a short list this week, but there's some great deals to get. Again, these are valid October 17th through the 23rd. Be on the lookout on the site for the single individual posts I put up as new coupons come out, new inserts come out. Be sure to take advantage of this menu up here. I am newly adding in, I've been working on different categories, and I've been putting out a lot of single deals because I have a few new categories I'm going to be putting up here for special stuff. So be on the lookout for that. If there's anything in particular you would like to see, roundups, more printable coupons, or more inserts, or other store videos, let me know. Type in the comments below. And please subscribe. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.